Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage. So when you're replacing a brake caliper, what's one of the most important things you should check? I'm going to talk about it next. Hold on. Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage. So a customer called up concerned that they had a wheel getting hot. And indeed, yes, the caliper was stuck. The piston wasn't returning properly. So anytime I do a brake job that requires replacing a caliper, I always make sure that brake fluid is flowing out of the brake hose. Usually you crimp off the line and it stops the flow of it, but I always check it. And this one, when I released the crimp on this line, nothing came out. And I always check for that flow. So I've worked on Hondas. I worked at the dealership for 20 years and I have never seen a restricted brake hose. And that's usually mostly because Honda is pretty stringent on replacing brake fluid. This vehicle has not really seen the brake fluid change. And it really should get that done today, but I got a brake hose coming for this. So the way that you find out if the brake hose is collapsed, first off, you release the crimp. If no fluid comes out, then you want to come up here and release the fitting here from the metal brake line, from the line, to see if it's dripping out from there, and in this case it is. Also, when I had that disconnected, I put compressed air through this hose and nothing comes out the other end. So if you got a wheel getting hot, 9 times out of 10 it's the caliper, but there is a chance it could be the brake hose. And if you are recommended to have your brake fluid replaced as a regular maintenance interval, you should listen to that person's advice, because over time that brake fluid attracts moisture and it can cause all kinds of issues. Now, just so you know, I did suggest that people replace their brake rotors on this vehicle. I gave them a choice, and they took the choice not to do that, just to do the brake pads and the caliper. And I'm going to do the brake pads on the other side, in case there's some mechanics out there thinking, hey, that's kind of a crappy job. But no, I did offer that, and that's their choice. It's all about the customer's choice. Anyway, until next time, like and subscribe. Hopefully this video has helped you. If you do replace the caliper and the wheel's still getting hot, it's probably a brake hose. Anyway, have a good night.